days.
This weather report proudly brought to you by the King Summer Sale. Why buy ordinary furniture when you can come home to King? Hurry, final days.
Rush to lock in solar. But will you be better off? The Consumer Investigation on 7 News, 6 o'clock.
Tonight's 7 News headlines. Medicare's biggest ever overhaul will include nurses and pharmacists stepping in for GPs.
A growing number of analysts are tonight urging the RBA to abandon further interest rate hikes for fear of a recession.
Labor's proposing opening Prospect Reservoir to the public to help locals escape the heat of summer.
And Lisa Marie Presley has been farewelled at an emotional funeral service at Graceland. Now, here's Angie with Sydney's weather.
Thank you, Angie. It has been a beautiful afternoon across Sydney with the grey skies clearing to reveal plenty of sunshine. That allowed the temperature to climb to 27 degrees quite late in the afternoon after 3:30, and right now it's still 23 degrees. Across the suburbs, not much in the way of wet weather since 9 a.m. A sprinkle at Mossman and Toongabbie, about a millimetre in the Blue Mountains this afternoon. Overall, though, it was fine with southeasterly winds keeping a lid on those temperatures. 24 degrees the maximum at Terry Hills, 27 for Richmond. Checking the satellite image, severe storm warnings have been cancelled for the northern rivers now. We are watching this trough extending through the state with a small low sitting just off the south coast. That system is going to continue moving south going forward. As it does, you'll see a lot of the wet weather just starts to clear away with it. A weak ridge will take its place, directing warmer winds over the state, bringing a run of summery days ahead. Around the capitals tomorrow, Brisbane is looking fine, top of 30. Canberra heading for a partly cloudy day, 28. Melbourne looking good, settled and 27, and a light shower or two for Hobart, 24. Statewide, there is the chance of a shower or storm through the southwest of the state. Central areas looking more settled and quite warm, 31 degrees forecast for Parkes, 34 at Canamble. Again, the showers and storms could push onto the east with light falls expected around Coffs Harbour, Port Macquarie and for Batemans Bay as well. Across the metro suburbs, shaping up to be a partly cloudy day. Thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening are a chance. Ahead of that, east-northeasterly winds will dominate, fueling temperatures slightly warmer than today. We should get to 31 degrees at Penrith, 29 for Campbelltown and a top of 28 on the way for Manly. On the water, winds will be variable at first to 10 knots, then tending northeasterly to 15 knots from about early afternoon. Back in the CBD, warming up to 28 degrees tomorrow. That is spot on the January average, and it will be a partly cloudy day. To the week ahead, fine and warm again for Wednesday. Just a passing coastal shower, if anything, very little in that. The Australia Day public holiday on Thursday will see the city climb to 31 degrees, 35 in our west. Fine, apart from an afternoon shower or storm inland. Shower or two continues for Friday. Then that fine weather just starting to return for Saturday, which is looking pretty good. Sunday, just some light showers once again in the gauge, but some warm days just around the corner. Angie and Michael.
Yeah, definitely getting hotter. All right, Angie, thank you for that. That is 7 News for this Monday. We'll have updates for you throughout the evening.
Sunrise starts from 5:30 tomorrow from all of the 7 News team. Thanks so much for your company. Have a great night.
Good night.
Stream 7 News anywhere, anytime, live and on demand on 7+. And with 7news.com.au, you'll know the news now.